Today I'm going to be making baby back ribs in the slow cooker. So I have a rack of ribs and I have cut them in half and layered them on top of each other to fit in the slow cooker. And now I'm going to drizzle honey on top of each rack. So what I'm going to do is just, with my spoon, just rub in the honey on top of each half. Then I'm going to season with salt and pepper. And a little garlic powder. And now I'm going to pour a small bottle of BBQ sauce on top. Add a little water to the bottle if you need to help get it out. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cover these ribs and I'm going to cook them on high for 6.5 to 7 hours. It's been 7 hours and the ribs are finished. So I'm going to remove the ribs and place them on a cookie sheet. I've placed the ribs onto the cookie sheet that's lined with aluminum foil, and the ribs are falling apart, which is good. They're nice and tender. I'm just gonna go in and take a little bit of the drippings that are in the crock pot and just glaze over the ribs, just slightly, not too much. And then I'm going to place these under the broiler for about 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on them. And the broiler will help just brown up the tops. So these ribs just came out of the oven from under the broiler. And as you can see, it just browned up the tops a little bit. Just be careful. You don't want to burn them unless you like that, but try not to overdo it. And be careful not to have too much liquid because it kind of shoots up on you. Okay? Hope you enjoy. See you next time.